A lot of my students are telling me that when they start with meditation, they face a lot of challenges. For example, how to get free of the thoughts that are in their mind or what to do during the meditation. And for that, I will walk you through different techniques of meditation, starting from the basic, like how to calm yourself down, and then to show you different techniques, how to use meditation during your everyday life, and how to accomplish your dreams and goals. And just know that this is an invitation for you to try these techniques out and to observe your inner state without any judgment or the need to reach any spiritual state of mind. Hi, I'm Tom, and so far I spent my life doing business in technology companies, and now I live all around the world because I have my own freelancing business. And while doing all of this, I've been using meditation for more than 15 years, and it helped me a lot on my personal and professional development. So I also became a meditation teacher, and then now I started this YouTube channel to teach you also how to use the power of your mind and the power of meditation to hopefully accomplish your goals and maybe to build the life of your dreams. To start, I have created a set of 7 guided meditations, which will show you the possibilities of meditation and how you can use it during your daily life. And you can have them completely for free. Just sign up through the link in the description. So the way I see meditation and how my teachings taught me what meditation is that it's not just a tool to calm your mind and get rid of your thoughts, but it's a much more powerful tool that can help you to prepare basically for your everyday life. That from meditation you can get a new perspective, new knowledge, and new experiences that ultimately will lead to you living your life better. So the challenge consists of 7 guided meditations, and they are intended each meditation for a separate day, so you can complete the challenge in 7 days, where each day is focused on different technique of meditation. You start with the basics and then you advance. And for each meditation you will get exact instructions how to perform them, so you don't need to worry if you are doing something right or something wrong. And also the meditations are set that you can actually repeat them, that you don't need to progress every day. If you want, if you feel that you want to stay with some technique for longer than 1 day, you are absolutely free to do it. I actually encourage it. And some of the guided meditations, for example, how to prepare for your day that's ahead of you, it's actually good to do every day. Yeah, so the guided meditations are set for you to show the possibilities and to also for you to find out how do you feel with the effects of meditation, and as you start with the basics and then you advance, and also to find out for yourself which techniques do you like. Yeah? And you are absolutely invited to explore this, and you can say for yourself what you like, what you don't like, and if you like some techniques, you are absolutely free to stay with them and explore them more. So the goal of the challenge is to help you to learn how to meditate, to explore different techniques of meditation. It will show you ways how to integrate meditation into your daily life, and it shows you how to use meditation to get clarity, strength, and a new perspective to make your goals happen. So as I mentioned, there are different techniques that you can do with meditation, and in this challenge we will go through techniques like how to calm yourself down, how to get free of your thoughts, how to check your emotional state and the state of your physical body. You will learn how to use meditation in the morning to prepare yourself for the day ahead of you, how to use meditation during the day to refresh yourself, and how to use meditation in the evening to unwind and let go of the thoughts and emotions or feelings that you don't want to carry to your next day. And also, like as the final step, you will learn how to use meditation to achieve your goals. And so in the 7-day challenge, you will find guided meditations for each of the techniques. And it's a good opportunity for you to go to explore and try it out without any pressure to like achieving any like spiritual state of altered state of consciousness. No, like just go and try the guided meditations and see for yourself like what effect it has on you and how do you feel after that. And actually each of the techniques they may be connected together, because as the part of like for example my everyday meditation practice, or a lot of the meditation teachings that I was learning, is that how you start the meditation is that at first you calm yourself down, then you get rid of your thoughts, then you check with yourself how do you feel today, then maybe you think of the things that are awaiting you in the day or in the near future, and then you can use visualization to like find out some ways how to improve your life, and as I said, like in this case, how to achieve your goals. And so how does it work in practice? It is that like you start with the technique of calming yourself down, and for that I use this breath awareness technique where you get seated. I use for example pillow to support my sitting, and then you close your eyes and you bring your awareness on your breath. And the way I do it in this challenge and in the guided meditations that you can try through the link in the description is that when you are focused on your breath, you start by focusing on the flow of the air. So at first you focus on like where the air enters your body. So like for me it's the nostrils, and I advise you to do the same. And as you inhale, you focus on the area around your nostrils, and you focus on like how do you feel the air today. Do you feel the air like it's hot or if it's cold? It's all explained in the guided meditation. You can just follow the instructions there. Then you try to feel how the air like fills your body, how it goes inside, how it fills your lungs. When you stop inhaling, then as you start exhaling, how the air flows through your body out, how it leaves your body, and again you focus on the flow of the air. And as you do this for a bit, you will see that your body and your mind will get a bit calmed down, and it's possible that your mind will drift away, and that your attention will drift away from the breath. And in this case, it's absolutely okay. You just bring your awareness back to your breath, and you just repeat this every time. Your mind like wanders away, but just know that it's absolutely fine if you can't focus on your breath all the time. Just acknowledge it, all is good, and come back with your awareness back to your breath. Then when you feel relaxed, you get back to your normal breathing rhythm. You breathe with your nose, and then it's possible that there will be some thoughts in your mind that are like requiring your attention. And again, this is absolutely normal, and just know that you can reach the state where in your mind there are no thoughts and you are just in this moment focusing on your breath. And actually from my students I know that especially when they are beginning with meditation, this is like sometimes very difficult for them, and maybe this is the case for you as well. A lot of students, they tell me that there are always thoughts in their mind, always, and that it's impossible to even imagine that the thoughts are quiet. And with meditation it's possible, and I will show you like one technique. Again, in the guided meditation you have a meditation specifically for this, how to reach this state free of the thought. So I invite you to try it out if that's of interest of yours. And basically the technique works that as you are like calm to yourself down and you are in this meditative state, you try to focus on your breath. Then you acknowledge the thoughts that are requiring your attention, and they may come here like a thought, and it's like, hi Tom, I want your attention. And I say to the thought like, dear thought, I acknowledge you, but for now I don't want to pay attention to you. I will get back to you later. And I like to also imagine them as little clouds. And so when it comes to me, I see like a thought on a cloud, I acknowledge it, and I tell it that for now I don't want to spend time with it, I will get back to it later, and I just pass it away, and I go back to my to bring my awareness to my breath. And then some other thought comes, and I do the same again. I acknowledge it, pass it away, and then I bring the awareness back to my breath. So this is like actually a fun exercise. And let me know like how does it work for you, if you are able to get rid of the thoughts, and maybe if you experience for the first time, I would be super happy to hear about it. So the next technique is that you check the state of your emotions and of your physical body. And I think that this is the guided meditation on day 3. And you do it, that again you get into the meditative state, and then you imagine this ball of light that is in your body. And like I will guide you in the meditation how you can imagine the ball of light. And basically you put it on your body, and like I will guide you on how you can visualize this ball of light in your body. And then it will be up to you to try to see it, try to feel it. And this technique with practice gets better and better. And like for this technique I invite you again to try it. And then like if you have trouble like visualizing it, like it's a good idea to just to pretend, for the sake of experiment, for the sake of this meditation, and again see what effect this technique will have on you. Then you have there the techniques how to use meditation for your daily life. And I start with the morning ritual, where I guide you through a meditation that you could use in the morning to start your day. I personally very like it to start the day with this meditation. And the meditation goes like when you wake up, you go to meditate, you listen to this guided meditation, and it guides you through various techniques how to prepare yourself for the day that is ahead of you. And it will lead for you to like maybe having a better day, being more present, having a different perspective on the challenges that will be ahead of you. And then when you go through the day, I hope you will get this feeling of this energy being present with you. And when you encounter the challenges, maybe you will handle them better. Then the next technique is called Yoga Nidra, and it's a good technique to use during the day when you feel, for example, a little tired, maybe after a lunch, maybe instead of your second coffee after lunch. And it's actually used instead of a power nap, so like instead of that, if you know that you would go to sleep for like 20 minutes, it works pretty similar. But it goes even further, and it guides you through like this relaxation technique that will energize yourself and give a boost of energy to you. And this part is actually guided by my girlfriend, so don't be surprised that there will be a cute woman voice. So also let me know like how does this work for you. I'm very excited for this technique, as it really helps to recharge, re-energize yourself, and get the boost of energy during the day that you may need. And then there's a meditation for the evening, and it's a good meditation like to do like after work, at the end of the day, like when you go home and before you go sleep. And you give space to the thoughts that maybe during the day you didn't have so much time to to spend your attention on, but they are still in your mind, and if you don't pay attention to them, like with time, they got more intense and they build pressure in you. And if you just at the end of the day like give them space and give them the attention that they may require, the tension will be released, and maybe you will have a better sleep, and maybe like some thoughts that you even didn't know that they were there will come up, and maybe it will be the next best idea for you, or the solution for the problem that you can't solve right now. So try these techniques like during different parts of your day. Again, see how does it feel for yourself, what effects has it on you, and if you want, you can keep doing them every day. But if not, you can just try them out and just let it be. It's up to you. And as the last technique of the day 7 of the challenge, you have a guided meditation where I guide you on how to like again use the power of visualization on to like how to accomplish your goals, and again how to help you to build your dream life. And like it's a technique like not on like manifesting, that you will be trying to manifest your dream life. There are techniques like this, but I personally don't teach them. I'm a more fan of like these visualization techniques that I know for myself that they help me a lot to accomplish my goals, and so I just teach like what works for me. And as it's not focused on manifesting so much, it is more focused on like bringing clarity into your work, into your days. It's about connecting your purpose with your goals, and it's about removing your inner obstacles. And how does it work is that you again get into the meditative state. You will be guided by my voice into what to do, and at some point you will be asked like to visualize your life after you accomplish your goals, for example. And in this case, like if you know what your next step in your life is, or what your big goals are, what the big picture is, then good for you, and like really like imagine and visualize that. But there may be a case that you fully don't know what the big picture for you is, what the big goal is, and what the next step in your life should be. And in this case, it's perfectly fine to acknowledge this and ask the universe for help. So like if you don't know this, you can ask like, okay, I am not 100% sure at this moment, but I ask the universe to give me this guidance. And maybe now during this meditation, or maybe after this meditation, like this information will come to you. Maybe you will need to do this meditation like more than once, but for sure at some point like the universe will give this answer to you. So if this technique sounds interesting for you, I invite you to join this 7-day meditation challenge. And as I mentioned, it's completely for free. You just sign up through the link in the description, and you will find there the 7 guided meditation each of the day for the techniques that I just mentioned in this video. And the videos will take you from the basics of meditation. It will teach you how to meditate, and it will show you the possibilities how to use meditation in your everyday life. So again, if you liked it, just sign up through the link in the description. It's completely for free. And again, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I will be happy to answer them. And if you'd like to see more videos about meditation, just consider subscribing to my channel. It will make me happy, and for sure I will post more videos about meditation. So thanks, and see you in the next video. Bye.